In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door handles on your GE Appliances refrigerator. There are no special tools needed for this quick and simple installation. Each handle on your refrigerator is attached to the door by sliding the handle onto the two plastic mounting fasteners on the door. If you need to remove an old fresh food compartment handle, firmly grasp the handle with two hands. Then, lift the handle upward to release it from the mounting fasteners. Now you can install the new door handle. Align the slots on the new door handle with the mounting fasteners. Then firmly push the handle downward until you hear it click into place. If you have a French door refrigerator, the action is exactly the same on the opposite door. Removing and installing the freezer compartment door handle is very similar. To remove, simply slide the old handle to the left. Then align the new handle with the mounting fasteners and slide it to the right until it clicks into place. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.